Let's make these dollar format. And discounted PB. Let me just copy the cell. Year before plus or minus actually. The reason I do minus, the deficit number is going to be negative anyway, so that turns it into a plus. And as an input, payback cutoff. And let's say it's 3 years. Let's call this payback cut. All I have to do is either by inspection decide whether or not I would accept this. For example, if your payback cutoff is 3 years, using the regular payback, would you have accepted this project? Payback cutoff means you want the project to pay itself in at most 3 years, okay? How long does it take this project to pay itself? 3, so would you accept it? Yes, it pays faster than what you require. But if you were doing the same cutoff for discounted payback, would you accept it? No, because it takes longer than 3 years. And typically, if discounted payback available, I strongly recommend that you would use that one because it takes time value of the money into account. So let's do a conditional formatting. All right, let's see. Icon sets, and I'm gonna do one of these. For now, it's just arbitrary. Let's manage the rule. Now, let's see. We're gonna do these by formulas. If it's greater than or equal to, I'm gonna say that formula. Actually, let's reverse the icon order because this time we accept it if it is low. So we're going to reject it if it's greater than or equal to that cutoff. I'm going to put a minus 0.02, basically 2% of a year. So if it's greater than 3.02, I'm going to reject. Otherwise, if it's that number, minus 0.02, I'm going to get a yellow light. Otherwise, I'm going to get a green light. And copy, paste special formulas. All right. Just to see, let's see. Let's make this 13% or 10%. I'm trying to get a yellow light here. Actually, that shouldn't have been. Let me see. That should have been a yellow light. Let's check. Oh, that should have been positive. I'm sorry. Okay. It's always a good idea to check your formulas or formatting. So copy. Maybe we can put something like this, tolerance. Let's do this 1/12. Or and let's change this again. Instead of 0.02, the idea behind this, 1/12 is 1 month, obviously, since we're measuring everything in years. If it's within plus or minus 1 month of the cutoff, it's going to have a yellow light, just telling me that it's close. Sometimes you make value judgments on these things. So 12% still gets you 10%, 9%, and so on. All right? We basically have our maybe I should do this. When you actually move cells, all the formulas, even the absolute references, move. In this case, they were relative anyway. And these are kind of, let's just make this smaller so that the whole thing fits here. And I'm just going to call this before. As you know, in a screen, real estate is valuable, so I'm trying to minimize. Technically, I don't even need those, but I still want to see them, referring to the right numbers. Let me see. Let me change something. Why am I not getting it? For some reason, it picks 100. Or let's do this. Oh, the problem is with this.